Hello students, let's see example 7.9. Suppose the frequency of the source in the previous example can be varied. A. What is the frequency of the source at which resonance occurs? B. Calculate the impedance, the current and the power dissipated at the resonant condition. So here we have the data of example 7.8. We know that it is a RLC series LCR circuit. Okay, and voltage, maximum voltage applied across is what? 283 volt of frequency 50 hertz. Now here in this example it is given that this frequency is varied. Okay, and the resonance is achieved. So here we have to find that resonant frequency. So resonance frequency find out करनी है. So here we have to find first the resonance angular frequency. We know that at resonance, बच्चों रेजोनेंस पे क्या होता है? ठीक है, एक्सएल इज इक्वल टू क्या हो जाता है? एक्ससी हो जाता है. एक्सएल आपका था ओमेगा 0 एल, एक्ससी 1/ओमेगा 0 सी, ओमेगा 0 स्क्वायर, ये इस तरफ भेज देंगे स्क्वायर हो जाएगा, दैट इज इक्वल टू 1/LC एंड ओमेगा 0 कितना हो जाता है? 1/√LC. दैट इज द angular resonance frequency. Okay, so let's find the angular resonance frequency first. Okay, and here we also know that at resonance the impedance Z is equal to what? R. impedance Z is equal to क्या हो जाता है? R हो जाता है. ठीक है, पहले हम लोग ये फाइंड आउट कर लेंगे. √LC, L is what? 25.48 millihenry. So 25.48 into 10 to minus 3, 796 microfarad. So 796 into 10 to minus 6. Okay. Now on solving this whole term, you will get the answer 222.1 radian per second. Okay, so this is the angular resonance frequency. We know that omega 0 is what? 2 pi f0, that is equal to 222.1 radian per second. Okay, so if I am taking f0 is subject, then 222.1 divided by, we have 2 pi, means 2 into 3.14. So here on solving this term you will get the answer of frequency 35.4 hertz. So it is the resonance frequency. In part B of this problem, this one is the part A, we have to find the impedance. So here I can say at resonance, impedance Z इज इक्वल टू, बच्चों क्या होता है? R होता है. ठीक है, R हमें यहाँ पे दिया है. ठीक है, so I can say therefore Z is equal to R, and R we have, that is 3 ohm. So impedance Z is equal to what? 3 ohm. Okay, here in this part we have to find the current also. current भी हमें find out करना. ठीक है, चलो करंट I फाइंड आउट करना है बच्चों रेजोनेंस पे. तो करंट I कितना होता है? P by Z. बट रेजोनेंस पे तो Z इज इक्वल टू कितना होता है? R. ठीक है, अब जो ये V है वो कौन सा है? वो RMS. बट हमारे पास मैक्सिमम वैल्यू है, सो लिख सकते हैं Vm by √2. R एज इट इज रहेगा. ठीक है, तो करंट का आपको इक्वेशन मिल गया. चलो अब यहाँ पे वैल्यू रख देते हैं. Therefore I can say I is equal to Vm is what? 283 upon √2 R means 1.41, and the value of R is 3 ohm. So on solving it you will get the answer 66.7 ampere. So here we have the current. So you can observe that in a previous example 7.8 we get the answer of current RMS current is 40 एम्पियर। हमने 40 एम्पियर आंसर फाइंड आउट किया था। यहाँ पे कितना आया 66.7 एम्पियर आया। देखो करंट आई ज़्यादा आया, क्यों? क्योंकि Z इज इक्वल टू क्या होता है, R होता है, इम्पिडेंस मिनिमम होता है रेजोनेंस पे, और करंट एम्पलीट्यूड करंट जो होता है मैक्सिमम करंट वो इंक्रीज होता है। हमें पता है करंट इंक्रीज होता है, इसीलिए इसको क्या बोलते हैं, रेजोनेंस बोलते हैं। Once again at resonance you have to remember these three conditions, that one is XL is equal to XC, this equation, and Z is equal to R, impedance minimum, so amplitude of current is maximum. Okay, here we have the current. Now in part B we also have to find the power. Okay, so let us find power. We know that power P is equal to what, I square R. Value of I is what, 66.7. Okay, and R is what, 3. So on solving this term you will get the answer 13.35 kilowatt. So you can observe that at resonance power loss is more because current I is more as compared to example 7.8. Okay.